Dear students, welcome to online class on digital image processing. In this video, we will continue the introduction to digital image processing. After watching this video, you will be able to list different types of digital images, types of image processings, and different applications of digital image processing. Coming to the first part, types of digital images. Basically, there are four types of digital images such as black and white or binary images, grayscale images, color images, and multispectral images. Now let us look at these images one by one. A binary image is a digital image that has only two possible values for each pixel. Typically, the two colors used are black and white. However, any two colors can be used to represent a pixel in the binary image. This type of image requires only one bit per pixel, either 0 or 1. Typically, black is represented by 0 and white is represented by 1. However, the notation is device dependent. The grayscale image is also known as monochrome image or one color image. The grayscale image contains only brightness information. Hence, grayscale images measure only the light intensity. Each pixel value is proportional to the brightness. The number of bits used for each pixel determines the number of brightness levels. For example, if we use 8 bits per pixel, then we will have 256 different brightness levels. A color image is a digital image that includes color information for each pixel. It has three values per pixel and they measure the light intensity and chrominance of light. Each pixel is a vector of color components. Color images can be modeled as a three-band monochrome image data where each band of data corresponds to a color. Common color spaces are RGB, that is red, green and blue, HSV, that is hue, saturation and value, and CMYK, cyan, magenta, yellow and black. In this slide, you can see three basic colors, red, green and blue. If we mix the three basic colors in equal proportion, then it results in white color. And the absence of these three colors is nothing but black. You can also see the three derived colors, yellow, magenta and cyan. And as I said earlier, any color can be derived by the vector addition of the three basic colors, that is RGB. Multispectral images. The first figure shows image of a person whose head is covered by a plastic cover. The multispectral images are images of the same object taken in different band of visible or infrared region. The images acquired for remote sensing applications are generally multispectral in nature. Multispectral images typically contain information outside the normal human perception. This includes infrared, ultraviolet, and other bands of electromagnetic spectrum. Information available in a multispectral image is not visible to human observer. However, the information is often represented in visual form by mapping the different spectral bands to RGB color components. Now let us consider the classification of image processings. Digital image processings may be broadly classified into three categories like low-level image processing, mid-level image processing, and high-level image processing. However, there is no clear-cut boundaries among these categories. Now let us take up these one by one. In a low-level image processing, both inputs and outputs are digital images. Examples for this kind are noise removal, image sharpening, contrast enhancement, deblurring, and edge detection. The figure shows the gamma ray imaging of human body. Gamma ray images are useful in nuclear medicine and astronomical observations, where the objects under imaging radiate gamma rays. By image processing techniques called image sharpening, it is possible to have a better pictorial information for such images. The edges are important features of any image. There are several edge detection techniques and they can be used to extract the edges of the image based on the nature of the image. A mid-level image processing is characterized by the fact that its inputs are generally images but the outputs are attributes extracted from those images. Example for attributes are edges, contours, that is closed edges, and other identities of individual objects. Many authors classified segmentation and image recognition into this category. Patterns of the iris is an important biometric identification for human beings. In iris biometric processing, only the iris region is to be extracted, leaving back the sclera and pupil area. Extracting any region of interest from the image is known as segmentation and it falls under this mid-level image processing. High-level image processing involves analysis based on outputs of mid-level image processing such as attributes. It involves making sense of an ensemble of recognized objects. As an example for high-level image processing, we consider sign language classification. Sign languages are languages that use visual manual modality to convey the meaning. Several shape attributes are to be extracted from the sign images. Based on these attributes, the computer algorithm will be able to identify the meaning associated with these signs. As I told earlier, there are several applications for digital image processing. You may note down these applications. I will read out these applications. In office automation, optical character recognition, document processing, cursive script recognition, identification of an area on envelope, etc. In industrial automation, automatic assembly, automatic inspection system, PCB checking, robotics, non-destructive testings, process related to VLSI manufacturing, oil exploration, process control applications. In biomedical applications, ECG, EEG and EMG analysis, automated radiology and pathology, X-ray imaging analysis, mammogram, cancer, MRI, etc. In remote sensing, natural resource survey, crop assessment, hydrology, forestry, urban planning, traffic monitoring, airfields. In criminology, fingerprint recognition, face recognition, iris recognition, etc. It is used in astronomy and space applications. It is also used in short-term weather forecasting and cloud pattern analysis. As we know, image processing is widely used in image transmission, video text, video conferencing, video phones, internet, video editing. Image processing is used in printing and graphic arts, in military applications, in missile guidance, missile detection, target identification, range finding, etc. It is also used for improvement of quality of appearance, that is improvement of pictorial information. So in this video, we have learned different types of images, types of image processings and applications of digital image processing. Thank you and have a nice time.